NASA laser sends terabits from beyond Mars in huge success for Deep Space Communications test infrared photo of the Table Mountain DSCO machinery in action. Credit NASA. JPL-Caltech NASA recently achieved an incredible milestone in an even more incredible quest, providing broadband to the solar system. But speaking specifically, the organization's Deep Space Optical Communications DSOC division just downlinked 15 terabits of data from the Psyche mission about 300 million miles from Earth via laser beam. That's over 3 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun, and it represents a huge breakthrough in outer space communications that will be absolutely necessary in the future and pretty much necessary now. There are kind of bottlenecks now in just how much volume of data we can get down in a given amount of time from the transmitters that we have, said Sean Meenehan, the DSOC Ground Software Lead, referring to existing technologies of using radio waves. Aside from the brilliant scientists and engineers behind it, DSOC consists of a laser transceiver, which is mounted on the Psyche spacecraft, and 2 ground stations. NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory JPL Table Mountain facility sends a laser beam to Psyche, which receives it and uses that signal to accurately beam its own laser to the second station, Caltech's Palomar Observatory in San Diego County. The laser sends back data encoded and communicated basically like Morse code, but with flickers in its light beam. How difficult is that? Try using a laser pointer to highlight Mars in the sky. Both Psyche and Earth are moving through space at tremendous speeds, and they are so distant from each other that the laser signal, which travels at the speed of light, can take several minutes to reach its destination. By using the precise pointing required from the ground and flight laser transmitters to close the communication link, teams at NASA proved that optical communications can be done to support future missions throughout the solar system. In December 2020, it made history when it sent an ultra-high-definition video of Taters, the cat chasing a laser pointer to Earth from over 19 million miles away at 260 megabits per second. In December 2024, DSCO completed its 6th and final pass when it received a downlinked signal from 360 million miles away for past Mars. More NASA mission updates. Trees can warn us when volcanoes are ready to erupt, and NASA satellites can read their signals. NASA Lucy mission provides humanity's first picture of peanut-shaped giant asteroid. Look, this stunning perspective of the Sun and Moon comes from new NASA mission set to study solar wind. As space exploration continues to evolve, so do our data transfer needs, said Kevin Coggins, Deputy Associate Administrator, NASA SCAR and Space Communications and Navigation Program at the agency's headquarters. Future space missions will require astronauts to send high-resolution images and instrument data from the Moon and Mars back to Earth, bolstering our capabilities of traditional radio frequency communications with the power and benefits of optical communications will allow NASA to meet these new requirements. Throughout all 65 passes, the system maintained downlink speeds comparable to household broadband internet. Watch a great explainer from NASA below.